Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Gopi Janavallabha Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Gopi Janavallabha Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Yashoda Nandana Jayo Braja Jana Jana Jayo Yashoda Nandana Jayo Jayo Yamuna Tiravanachari Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Yamuna Tiravanachari Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Gopi Janavallabha Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Gopi Janavallabha Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Giri Varadhari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Yashoda Nandana Jayo Braja Janaranjana Jayo Braja Janaranjana Jayo Yashoda Nandana Jayo Braja Janaranjana Jayo Braja Janaranjana Jayo Yamuna Tiravanachari Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Yamuna Tiravanachari Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jayo Radha Madhava Jayo Kunja Bihari Jai Radha Madhava ki Jai Jai Vishnupada Paramahamsa Privrajikacharya Stottar Sadhu Shishmadabhaya Charnaravindra Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Shila Prabhupada ki Jai Shri Guru Parampara Iskon ki Jai Shila Prabhupada ki Jai Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki Jai Nitai Gaura Premanande Hari Hari Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshuram Militanyena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Uttapadakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Scha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sihitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Valita Shri Vishakam Vitam Scha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhyeva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namaha Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauradvishe Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam to Vaishnavas. By the mercy of Srila Gurudev, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, by the mercy of previous acharyas and all Vaishnavas assembled here, we can discuss, we can listen about nature of Bhakti. I am very grateful to you that you gave such opportunity. Actually, I was speaking basing on lectures on the books of my temple president and also Shiksha Guru, Chaitanya Chandra Prabhu, is in Gadagiri, Radha Gopalji temple. This is deities were worshipped by family of Gorgovinda Swami many hundreds years. And I was staying there, and this book, we are working on his books. Some books already released on English, on Hindi. We have now one book, and some books on Oriya. Maybe it will appear also in other languages. It's only some nectar from Sadhu Sangha. It's also can be very helpful in our devotional life. So we are speaking about the nature of bhakti. We were speaking about last time about what is the love actually, and we said that the real love only in the spiritual world. We said about this, that there is no real love here in this material world. And little bit we spoke about this because not so many times. Today also not so many times. Not so much time. So we will try just to speak something from this. Like we said that our love will be successful only if we love Krishna. And everyone has tendency to love someone. To love someone we need others. We cannot love without others. Therefore we need society. We need other persons. But actually the real object of love is Krishna. We are saying about this. Today is Ratha-Yatra. Actually Ratha-Yatra was going on from Sati Yuga, and that time when Lord Jagannath was not there, I heard my Gurudev said that Even Prahlad Maharaj was doing Ratha-Yatra by putting Vishnu on Ratha. So that time this very, very old tradition, but only Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he appeared, he showed to us and he explained what is the real meaning of Ratha-Yatra. When devotee, they having mood of separation with Lord, so much love they are having, and they pulling this Ratha, and they calling Lord, please come to my heart, to Vrindavan in my heart. That is a very important thing of Ratha-Yatra. Therefore, if devotees with love, they pulling Ratha, with love they serving in Ratha-Yatra, everyone, even without knowledge, who participate in this, they also get some touch of this divine love. And they can be changed very quickly. And we say that if we have the real love, love for the real object of love, Krishna, he will never run away from you. And if we develop attachment to Krishna, then we shall remain at his lotus feet. And that is called, and devotee, even he is having such body, made out of bone, blood, many things, skin, but actually this body became like transcendental. As other times also Acharya said that, like Hari Mandir, body like temple, inside of this body, the throne where Krishna and Radha is sitting. So yes, we can make our body transcendental, spiritual, by developing this love. Very important thing. Because this material body made up of 5 gross elements, Panchabhuta, earth, water, fire, air, and Akash. And when the body is finished, these constituents merge into these 5 gross elements of the material nature, actually. It not belongs to us. Doesn't belong to us. Spiritual body, however, is not made of material elements. As Mataji Prempadmani told today, it's not important so much details of this knowledge, but more important rasa. Actually, spiritual body made out of rasa. So this bhava, this mood, that's very important thing. To develop this, we are together. We're doing seva together. Those people who have material bodies, they are controlled by destiny, by karma. But for someone who has spiritual body, there is no destiny. His only destiny is to remain with Krishna. It is our destiny. And there are different types of loving relationship with Krishna, it is said, like some servitor relationship, parental vatsalya, like friendship relationship, madhurya, sweet conjugal love. So, and 4, actually Mahaprabhu said that 4 types of relationships, sweet, very sweet, and like between Bhagavan and his dear devotees. And we can say, for example, Nanda Yashoda, Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda, and he acts as their son for them, Bhagavan. And then Sridham, Subal, other coward boys, he acts as their friend. For the gopis, he is their lover. Such a pure loving pastimes of Krishna. And then the question comes, how we can get this love? He appears in Vrindavan and performs very sweet loving pastimes. And in order to teach us how to develop this love, so we should discuss this, Bhagavatam, every time we discuss this. In this material world also, I said that we have father and mother, we have children, we have love, some love for their children, husband and wife, they have love for each other, friend has love for friend, servant has respect for his master. By exhibiting variegated leelas, Krishna gives the inhabitants of this world an opportunity to develop such loving relationship as we have in this material world. like this. And there would be no love for Krishna, no pure love, if Krishna will not appear and do his pastimes here. And before Krishna came in his original form, people in this world worshipped only, we can say, like Para Brahman, Para Tattva, like not like Krishna. There was no question of loving relationships with the Supreme Lord. Actually, even we can get Ramachandra, Nrsimhadev. We can see there is no pure love, because some fear is there, some fear and own reverence is there. But now we have opportunity to develop real love. So people were showing only respect to Bhagavan, as we said before, and little bit afraid of Bhagavan. So because with Brahman or Paramatma we cannot develop a loving relationship. By realizing Brahman Paramatma, by worshipping Brahman Paramatma, cannot also become free from Maya totally. Because if we cannot develop full love, we cannot become free from Maya. Therefore, topmost realization is Bhagavan. That is meaning of Ratha-Yatra actually. When Krishna is coming outside on the street, we show to everyone that the Bhagavan is the topmost realization. You should develop love to Bhagavan, his person. That's a very important thing. And after Krishna he returns to his abode, the spiritual sky, he nevertheless continues to perform leelas in the material world. Then question comes, how do his leelas continue at that time? And then Bhakti was saying that he is doing leelas in his, we can say, Vachya and Vachaka forms. Vachya means his murti, deity form. And Vachaka, name, Krishna's name, yes. Murti and Krishna's name, very important thing. And Krishna has kept for us his Dhamma, his Nama, holy name, his Murti, and this all non-different from him. Krishna is absolute. You should have such faith. Not see difference. Yes, it's absolute. Therefore, if someone changes the holy name, serves the deity, form of Bhagavan Krishna, one can relish the same loving mellows which are relished by devotees in direct association of the Lord. So then question comes, how many people can worship deity every day? Not everyone worship. Yes, therefore, Ratha-Yatra is there. In Jagannath Puri also, no one can worship Jagannath directly. But when Jagannath is coming out, everyone can participate in his Leela. That's a very important thing. So today, everyone will get opportunity to participate in Leela of Bhagavan. Hare Krishna. This is our fortune. Yes, we're very fortunate. And then question comes. You say about love Krishna. It is said also this word prema. Prema, we said this special word. It's not like material love. Actually, in some language, prema means only just love. Yes, but it's special love. So, first we should get a fixed position. That is called Nishta stage, fixed position. That our mind will be fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna. That means not completely thinking how Krishna will be pleased. Then this, as yesterday I told, our external practice will become internal, from heart, from the core of heart we can serve. That is very important. Not only externally we're doing something, yes we do, because anyway we maintain our life, also we here in community, we maintain community. These external things we're doing. But we should have some, inside, some desire to give pleasure. That is very important. And when we will be fixed in this desire, that is called Nishta actually. And then this is said, then taste develop, then attachment develop, then ecstatic emotion develop, then love. That is gradual. But if Vachya and Vachika are not present, or if deity form or name, holy name is not present, cannot be fixed. Not possible. Cannot be fixed. Therefore, it depends on how we serving to holy name and to deities. Depends. This Nishta stage depends. If the deity form is not there, holy name is not there, also very important, listen about this. Listen about name, form, qualities, pastimes, associates of Bhagavan Krishna. How can we come to the Nishta stage? We could not come to Nishta stage. How we can do seva, give pleasure to Krishna? So we shall not become free from anarthas, our own desires. We don't want to give pleasure to Krishna. I want Krishna give pleasure to me. Yes. So then, how we can speak about such high topics? But actually, Srila Prabhupada came for that purpose, to give love. Not to give only to us some external things. No. Someone may ask, how we can love Krishna when we are not able to see Him? Though we can see on the altar, yes. But He doesn't speak to me. He doesn't talk with me, so how can I love Him? Actually, when I have some relatives, I can speak to them. That is love. Because He listening to me. Everyone wants that others will listen to me. Yes. But then, how Krishna will listen to me? How can we can reciprocate? But Mahaprabhu said, a very important thing, actually only today we can say this, because today is Ratha-Yatra day. As Mahaprabhu said, we should love Krishna like the best devotees, gopis, like. This we should understand. What does it mean? Aradhyo Bhagavan Varjeshatanaya Stadhama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachidupash Upasana Vrajyavadvargena Vakalpita Chidanyamata Manjusi. It is said, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the son of Maharaj Ananda, is to be worshipped along with his transcendental abode, Vrindavana. The most pleasing form of worship for the Lord is that which was performed by the gopis of Vrindavana. So we are not in Vrindavan, we in Bengaluru. So this, how many gopis in Bengaluru, I don't know. So, but the Gita said, let us love Krishna like the gopis loved Him. What does it mean? Actually, how did the gopis love Krishna? Whenever the gopis heard about the name, the form, the qualities of Krishna, it increased their love to Him. That's the important thing. Due to their love for Krishna, the gopis are compared to the Chataka bird. Is here in Bengaluru, Chataka bird is there, you know? Rain bird. No rain bird is here. No. Then Chataka bird, all Chataka birds are here. Get this, you are Chataka birds, actually. You explain, what does it mean? Chataka, a special bird. Only fortunate people can see. So it is said in Shastras, rain bird, it drinks only rainwater. Then rain bird may die, but it will wait for the rain. Never drink from the other water, from pond, other thing. So such bird always look towards the sky, like waiting for the rain, and then drinking drops of rainwater, and very happy. That is mood of gopi. You can understand. Always wait for Krishna, when Krishna will come, or when they will have an opportunity to go to Krishna, when Ratha-Yatra will start, waiting. Special. Devotees, when Ratha-Yatra is starting, all devotees should be prepared. That nice mood should be. We're waiting when Krishna will start his lila, like this. No other talking, no village talking. Yes. Only thinking how Krishna will come. Then, when we do it together, then some miracle will happen. Yes. So they're waiting. They do not wait anything for themselves. Then what is their desire? Whatever may happen to me, I do not mind. But Krishna should remain happy. That is the desire of gopis. I will understand what is rainwater, what does it mean? Because maybe you don't understand. What does it mean? They did everything, even take care of their body, even the very beautiful body, gopis. women body, but only for Krishna's happiness, not to attract other persons. No, only for Krishna's happiness. They decorated their body, put perfume, nice clothes, ornaments, jewelry, and they waiting when Krishna would accept them. Their body becomes like paraphernalia, like this. Their body and whatever force they made were meant for Krishna's pleasure only. That is called spiritual body. But our body, when it is used only for mind pleasure, for sense enjoyment, that is called material body. That body will give us suffering according to our destiny, karma. But we have opportunity in this human body to develop spiritual body if we fully dedicate ourselves to service to Krishna. Maybe it's not possible now completely dedicate. By mercy of Krishna it will happen in our life. But in Ratha-Yatra time we can do it. Ratha-Yatra time we can dance, we can chant, we can see Krishna, we can getting together, we can do many things. So the body and whatever efforts also important. And their loving relationship with Krishna was very sweet because of this, very pure. And therefore every day Krishna wanted to see the gopis and give them his darshan. Actually, if we have such desire, then Krishna every day will wait when we come and he will give us darshan. That will be real darshan. When we understand that Krishna is personally coming to us, he appeared such nice clothes, such nice ornaments is here. We can see so beautiful Lord here. Who can see that Lord is so beautiful today? Who got darshan? Bhagavan himself giving darshan, and then we understand, so beautiful Bhagavan. The gopis ran to Krishna and Krishna ran to the gopis. That is our philosophy. And then we can say, why is so exalted their love? Because they give up everything for the pleasure of Krishna. But Krishna actually has various countless relationship with countless devotees. But the gopis' love is meant only for Krishna. This is so special, so strong love. Therefore Krishna even told to the gopis, I am indebted. So, napareham, I cannot pay back your love. You can imagine, Krishna is Supreme Lord, Bhagavan is saying that, I cannot pay back. So, the real cause of love is Bhagavan Krishna. And the real object of love is Krishna. And these gopis just accepted him as the only object of their love. Then that's why they're example. And what Mahaprabhu said, he gave this mood, he distributed this mood. Before in all sampradayas, this mood was not existing. It was hidden. Actually, one person told me that in Udupi Mandir, behind, they secretly worshipping Radharani. I don't know, but once told me. They have Radharani Murti secretly worshipping. One devotee who was living there, he told me. Because actually it was secret. No one could speak about this. Because Mahaprabhu only, he gave mercy. By his mercy we can understand this. Therefore it is said, by mercy of Mahaprabhu, we can understand Krishna. And Radha and Krishna we can understand only by mercy of Mahaprabhu. This mood of Gopi actually is the mood of Mahaprabhu. He appeared in this golden complexion like Gopi. And what he was doing the same thing as we speaking now. He said like this, if you want to love Krishna, then love him like the gopis did. And he was, by example, he was showing. He was coming to Ratha-Yatra, he was dancing with so much ecstasy, so much love. And he showed how it is important to be with Krishna. Yes, in this material world we cannot understand how to be with Krishna. But by mercy of Mahaprabhu we can understand this. Very important thing. And then, if does not have loving relationship with Krishna, We can say, whatever goal, whatever love he is having, love might have some love, but that love without goal, without any goal, without any meaning. Because once love, we can love others, okay, but this love will be not successful, not permanent. It will fail. So people, they don't know this. We should show the way. United Nations, what is this? Prabhupada said. United Nations, there are more and more flags coming, more and more nations. So what is unity? Real unity is when we love Krishna. Yasmin tushte jagat tushta. Everyone is satisfied. And today you will see, if you have some doubts, you will see. In Ratha-Yatra time you will see everyone will be satisfied. Yes. And when along with such love in this material world there is some maybe dvesha, some hatred. So in this world actually there is no Krishna consciousness. We should understand this. Only some gold love. Therefore sadhu is coming. He feels pain and he sees that one is not developing love for Krishna. He can develop but not developing. And he observed that people are developing loving relationships, yes, with Krishna. Then he becomes happy, very much. So Prabhupada, he very becomes happy when he sees the devotee dancing, chanting holy name. Yes. And if you want to make a sadhu happy, then you have to develop loving relationship with Krishna. Actually everything is going on here because of the mercy of sadhu also. He said, this sadhu is in the mood of Mahaprabhu, the mood of Gopi. He gave us instructions. And now we're doing according to his instructions in getting mercy. This is parampara. This mercy is flowing down. And then we say about this Chataka bird. Why this Chataka bird example is given? Because actually this Chataka bird is always looking. Where is mercy? Because mercy is having liquid nature. Mercy is coming up to down, from up to down. If you're a mountain, mercy will not come to you. Mercy will around you, surround you. But if you're little bit, you have some like pit, so mercy will come inside. So then very important to be very low position. Trinada Pisvanichina. More humble we are, more mercy we will get. Mahaprabhu is Patita Pavana. He giving mercy to Patitas. If we're thinking that we are not Patitas, we can give mercy to others, we can liberate everyone, deliver everyone. So Mahaprabhu will not give to us so much mercy. If we're thinking that we are Patita, we cannot do nothing. Only by mercy of Mahaprabhu we can chant, we can do something. Then Mahaprabhu will give to us mercy. This is Chataka mood. Chataka is always waiting. When mercy will come, when rain will come, rain. Not water from pond, not water from other places, only from the sky. Very pure water. And this pure water means pure mercy. We want to get mercy only from Krishna. Not from others people. We don't want to satisfy others, only Krishna. But if Krishna happy, everyone will be happy. This Chataka mood. And when drops are coming, Chataka is saying, Koti, I want more. I want thousands drops. Please give me more. Always Chataka bird asking about mercy. That is other topic about how to ask, because actually Bhakti depends on our eagerness to get mercy. And actually this love we can get only by the mercy of Krishna. Yes. So who has relationship with Bhagavan, he can Krishna is controlled, so he controlled directly by Bhagavan Krishna, by his mercy. No destiny, no need to see this astrological chart, what you happen with you like this. No, not so important. More important, your sincere desire. Like, if some troubles will come, some sufferings will come, what do you will think? That is coming from my purification. This is also Krishna Kripa. Not only when everything good, very, very nice. No, some troubles will come. That is also mercy. So he has developed loving relationship with Krishna, and he knows whatever Krishna does, it is good for everyone. Outwardly, like we see that Prahlad Maharaj was suffering, Haridas Thakur was suffering, but because they had loving relationship with Krishna, they were not actually suffering. Yes. Since they were always holding Krishna in their mind, in their heart, they were very happy. So this is a message of all acharyas, all parampara. Today we speaking only just some conclusions. That we should just try to always keep Krishna in our mind. Mana bhavamat bhakto madhyajimam namaskuru. Krishna is saying that mana think about me. Think about me also, think about my desires, what I want. And we can understand that he came as Mahaprabhu, what he wants. Is this Murti, very merciful, so magnanimous, wonderfully magnificent. He came only to give this love to everyone. And this material world is full of miseries. Foolish persons want to make it a place of pleasure, place of happiness. But this world cannot give us happiness. You think that scientific development, economic development, everything, IT, internet, will help us? No, will not help. To get pleasure. But although there is so many inventions, others are not becoming happy. Very important things. In order to get happiness, we should develop our relationship with Krishna. That is message of devotees. Devotees giving this message. Because Krishna himself came here and said about this. Otherwise, it's not possible to understand this. Before Mahaprabhu, not possible. No one could understand this completely. Yes, maybe only some Madhavendra Puri like this. That's other topic. Therefore, Sadhu Guru comes to teach us how to develop love for Krishna. No fighting, no quarreling. Only how to give pleasure to him. Okay? I will conclude. Today I will be in time. Jai. Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Guru Maharaj ki jai. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande.
श्रीवास पंडित प्रभु की
गुरु महाराज की जय।